Hi, I'm Dana Kerigan, and welcome back to this week's Tuesday's Digital Tips and Tricks. Now, one thing I want to talk to you about today is your Google My Business listing. Now, that's your Google listing whenever you search for your business. So one huge mistake that we see businesses make is not utilizing this Google My Business listing to the fullest. And having a Google My Business listing is crucial for customers that are trying to find your business online. Did you know that 3 out of 4 smartphone owners are going to turn to Google to find goods and services near them? And Google My Business signals are the most important for ensuring that your business shows up first to your customer when they're doing your local search. Now, do me a favor. Do a quick search of your business category with the words near me. Now, for us, that would be marketing agency near me. If your business does not appear here, you might as well be invisible. Or worse, it's your competition that's showing up. But don't worry, we've got 3 common mistakes we see, and I'm going to tell you how to fix them. Stay tuned. Mistake number 1, assuming you already appear on Google. Because you already know your business's phone number, address, and services, odds are you aren't Googling yourself too often. You might even think that Google automatically creates these listings and you don't have much control. Wrong. You must take active steps to make sure your business appears on Google. So how can you know? Do a quick Google search for your business. Do you see a side panel with your business information? That's called a knowledge panel. If not, you don't have a big Google My Business page yet. You'll need to create one. Go to google.com/business and click Manage Now to start creating your listing. Mistake number 2, you're letting old or outdated information drive away your customers. We often see businesses who set up their Google My Business page 3 to 5 years ago and then never made an update. Maybe even a past owner set it up and you don't even have the access. Your customers might see outdated business hours and decide not to visit your store because Google says you're closed today. The first step to checking this is Googling your business again. If you do see a side panel with your business information, you'll need to claim and start updating your listing. Click the Own This Business ? Button and follow the prompts on screen. If your listing has already been claimed and you don't recognize the email address listed, you may need to connect with the person who set it up to get the access. Once you've gained access, start updating your information. Make sure to check for addresses, phone numbers, website links, hours of operation, and your products. Mistake number 3, you follow the set it and forget it mindset. Now, it's not enough just to update your information. If you're just going to forget about your Google My Business listing, if you want your business to appear number 1 on Google search, you're going to have to make some updates. Google My Business is so much more important and so much more than just a digital Rolodex of phone numbers and addresses. It's a great way to improve your search engine optimization score. Create a post once a week about your business. This will help you show up more often on Google. Now, we know this can be overwhelming to stay on top of all the places your brand may show up and, more importantly, may not show up. Luckily, this is our wheelhouse. If you need help getting started or just want this taken off your hands, reach out to our team at KeriganMarketing.com, or you can email me directly at dana@kerigan.com. For more digital tips and tricks, be sure to follow us on social media or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks so much, and we'll see you next week.